Hi, welcome to DearMaths. In this video, we will solve a problem if log of x to the base 5 equal to the a, log of x to the base 20 equal to the b, then we need to find the value of log 10 to the base x. So let's see how we are going to solve such problem. So now we need to calculate the value of log 10 to the base x. Since we are given as a is equals to the log of x to the base 5. We can also write it as, what can we write it as? We can write it as 1 divided by log 5 to the base x. Can we write it as? Yes, we can write it as. How? By using the formula. See, if we use the formula, a change of base rule. What was that formula? That formula we can write it as, suppose log, it is given as log of a to the base b. So we can write it as log of a to the base c divided by log of b to the base c. Right? So we can write it as, so if we talk about log x to the base 5, so now we need to convert it into the base x, so we can write it as log x to the base x upon log 5 to the base x, and this log x to the base x will become 1, so we can write it as 1 upon log 5 to the base x. So if we are changing the way, so we can write it as 1 upon the same number, right? So in this way we will get log, we can write it as log 5 to the base x is equal to the 1 divided by a, right? So we get this value. So similarly, this can write it as equation number 1. Similarly, we are given as b equal to the log of x to the base 20. So we can write it as b is equals to the 1 divided by log of 20 to the base x. So adding equation 1 and 2, so what we will get? We will get log 5 to the base x plus log 20 to the base x is equals to the 1 by a plus 1 by b. So here we can also write it as log, since it is log m plus n, so we can also write it as log mn. So we can say 5 into 20, and we will get a plus b divided by divided by ab. So here we will get log 100 to the base x is equals to the a plus b divided by ab. So here we can also write it as log, we need to get the value of 10, so we can write it as 100 as 10 square to the base x equals to the a plus b divided by ab. So we can say log m ki power n equal to the n log m, so it can be write it as 2 log base 10 to the base x equals to the a plus b by ab. So hence we can say log 10 to the base x will be a plus b divided by 2ab, and this will be our final answer.
If you like our videos, do like, share and subscribe to reach others. Thank you.